Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I want to show you how you can create a custom search page on your KW agent or team site. This will allow a consumer to actually view an updated in real time list of properties in a particular area, zip code, city, whatever you would like on your site instead of just going to the search properties tab that may default to Texas. So, first, let's navigate to the actual KW agent site or team site. You'll click your website's tab in the bottom left of Command. Go to Edit Agent Site. Go to Expert Mode. And make sure this is the site that you want to add the custom page to. If this is not the site, you can come and click this link right here and choose the website from the drop-down list that you want to add this page to. This is the site that we want to use today. So we're going to go ahead and just click that and it will open it in a new tab. We are now currently looking at the KW agent site. From right here on the home page, it's important that you use this search bar right here, not the search properties tab up here in the top right. It does make a difference. So from right here, go ahead and enter the city, neighborhood, address, postal code, whatever it is that you would like your custom search to be focused around. Enter it here in this bar. So we're just going to choose a city and state, and we'll choose the city out of the drop-down list here. There we are. And so now we actually have a search for this particular area. Go ahead, make sure you're setting the filters exactly as you want them. If you want this to be for sale properties, or maybe you just want it to be rental properties, you can do that here. You can also go ahead and set a price range, and you can see the other filters listed here. Go ahead, go through them, set which filters you would like. Also, go ahead and pay attention right here to the sort feature. Choose to sort this how you would like. For us today, we're going to stick to the for sale properties. And for the sort option, we'll choose days on market, low to high. This means the properties or listings that currently have the lowest DOMs, days on market, those should populate at the top every time a consumer comes to this search. We'll click apply. Now, once you have set all of your criteria, you have your area selected in the search bar, you've already set your filters, and you've chosen your sort feature. Now, go to the website address bar in your browser, click once to highlight it, and you can right-click and copy. Now that we have that address copied, we can go back to our command dashboard over here in expert mode. And now we can add that custom site to the website, and we'll iframe in that address that we just copied. Let's go to custom page right here to create a custom page on our site. Give it one click. Go ahead and name this page. So we chose Boston, Massachusetts, so we can say Boston listings. You could do for sale, hot new listings, get creative. Go ahead and name it, and then come on down to where you add your module. Choose Add Module. Scroll down to iframe embed right here. Give that a click. On the blank line, click, choose Create New. Now remember that URL we just copied? You'll want to put it right here on this line. So go ahead, you can do Control V and paste it, or right click and paste it. It may take it a moment to populate on the right-hand side and on the left, but you can see here it captured all of our settings. See how our city is still there. Our filters, you can see it over here in the preview, is still set to for sale. Our sort feature is also still set the way that we wanted it. So this is perfect. So now we'll go right here and name this particular iframe. So you could say custom search, maybe give yourself a couple of clues. Um, okay. And come on down to the bottom down here, and you can adjust your iframe height and width. I know it's blinking a lot. It's got a lot of information it's trying to pull, so it's just trying to update. But you can go ahead and insert some custom iframe and width if you want. Otherwise, it will just default to 600 and 100%. I like it a little longer than this, especially if it's pulling a lot of different properties. So I'm actually going to change that to 1,000 for height. It's going to spread out the page a little bit longer before the actual footer appears. Okay, so now that we've gotten that situated, I'm going to come over here to the right and click Publish. Now that it's published and you have this green bar, click Back. Now we're back here working on that custom page. We just created our iframe module. So go ahead and click on the blank line again. And now our iframe module that we just created will actually populate in this list. Go ahead and give that a click. We'll see that update in real time on the right-hand side. There we go. And so again, checking to make sure our location was saved, our filters are saved, and so was our sort feature. So this is a custom site. You can leave the header on here if you want. You can actually remove that if you choose to, whichever you prefer. One last thing, while you're here and working on this page, always recommend add that contact me form at the bottom. Always give that viewer an opportunity to reach out to you, right? So go ahead and click Add Module. Scroll down and choose Form. From the blank line, just choose the default form. And you should see that form populate down here at the very bottom of the page. There it is. Awesome. All right. If you have any other questions, let me know. Go ahead and click publish, by the way, so it will save this particular page. It may take about 30 minutes or so, and then you should start seeing that populate underneath the More tab on your KW Agent site. There's also a way where you can now add this particular search to the top menu on your KW Agent site. Up here, instead of it being that search properties option, you can actually add that custom saved search that you just did to right there. So they won't ever see that one that defaults to Texas if you prefer. We have another tech tip video on our Scott Leroy YouTube channel that would show you how to build that custom navigation menu. Or you can always reach out to us by email, support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help guide you through that. Thanks for watching.